Hello there guys, today we are going to go through logarithms in form 3. I have here a very essential question. So today we have log 125 plus log 64, then log 5 into root 6, and then log cube root 3, and then 2 is inside the cube root. So how do we go about this? So let us first deal with the numerator, right? So you write the new. Let us first deal with the numerator. So let us say that log 125 is equals to log. Now we write this 125 now as a power form, of which you know that 125, it is the same as 5 cubed. Hope that we are clear. So we just write this one step by step. Let us move on next to the next one, which is log 64. So what is the power form of 64, my dear learner? It is none other than log 2 power 6. So we are done with dealing with the numerator. So let us now move on to the denominator, right? So we just come here. Then now here you see we are moving on to the denominator. So for the denominator, we have here log root 6 of 5, which the same is, you can say that it is log 5 1 over 6. Hope we can remember this rule, that in indices, if this root here, it can still be converted as a fraction by writing 5 and then you put the power form 1 over 6, which was here. Hope you can remember that, my dear learner. At the end of the video, I will show you the rules of logarithm so that you can apply in other questions. Let us move on to the other one, which one is log. That one now. We apply the same thing here, which is going to be log 2 1 over 3. You see how simple it is. Now let us compile these ones the way they are. So just put it the way it is, whereby this one is just going to be log 125. 125 was log 5 cubed, right? Then plus log 2 power 6 over, then you just put these things here, which was log 5 1 over 6 plus log 2 1 over 3. Hope we are there all together. Done. So from here we are going to use the logarithm rule. And which logarithm rule am I talking about? Which logarithm rule am I ready to talk about? The logarithm rule will be, let us remember this law, which says that if log x power to k is equals to k log x. How do we apply this? Let us start first one with this one over here. So 3, which is the power root over here, which is the power 5, log 5 plus, we apply the same thing over here, that 6 log 2. 6 log 2. Hope over there we are all clear. And then let us write a good over. Then this one, remember it comes over here in the first, which is 1 over 6 log 5, then plus 1 over 3 log 2. Hope there I'm very clear. So let us now start to factorize these things. In logarithm, the factorization is only meant for these first two numbers. Let us mark it. Remember that in factorizing these things, you don't consider these other ones over here. You only consider which was the power form over here. So which one over here shall we factorize between 3 and 6? The most common there, 8, 3. So we are going to say that it's 3 into log 5 plus, right, 2, because 3 times 2 is 6, then log 2 over, in factorization, the number we shall find in bracket for the upper values, it should be the same we should find for the denominator. So for over here, for us to get the same number over here, what are we supposed to factorize out here for this denominator's value? So we shall remove 1 over 6 to the outside to get log 5 plus 2, because this and this will just bring eventually, it's supposed to bring eventually 1 over 3, right? Because 2 will cancel here 1, then this will cancel here 3. Then log 2. Hope we are clear over there. So the values on the top are equal to the values on the bottom, so they cancel together. So we remain with 3 divided by 1 over 6, which is the same as 3 times 6 over 1 is equals to 18. So our answer for this final question is 18. Thank you so much, my dear learner. So for us to continue to show us more this, remember this logarithm rules, which is, this is the first rule. The second rule is log xy is equals to log x plus log y. Doesn't remember that. Then the next one is that log x over y is equals to log x minus log y. This is the same as in indices, whereby where there is multiplication over here, the final thing is to add. Where there is division over here, the final thing is just to subtract. And finally, the last rule in logarithm is log b in the power of a is equals to log b in the power of c. Very essential. Anyway, for more videos like this, like, subscribe and follow. My name is Prince Mwema. Thank you.